Hello students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. Today I am going to explain you about water cycle. Don't feel that a cycle which carries a water that is called as water cycle. After explanation of this passage, then you are going to understand the meaning of water cycle. Let me read this passage. In the middle I am going to explain you the meaning of water cycle. Water falls as rain or snow. So water falls as rain as snow. Some water goes into the ground. Some water goes into the ground. Some goes into rivers and lakes and seas. Rivers, lakes and seas. Some water goes back to the sky as a vapor. Some water goes back to the sky as a vapor. Then this water vapor comes down again as rain. Where it's going? What is forming over there in the sky? Clouds. Water is going up and down all the time. This process is called water cycle. So I believe you got to understand the meaning of water cycle here. The process of water going up and down all the time. This process is called as water cycle. And now I am going to explain you the protection of well water. Why we should protect the well water and what is the procedure or the steps we can protect the well water. The sources of drinking water should be properly protected. Right? The sources of drinking water should be properly protected. How? Once you fill the vessel with the water, then you should lid it carefully. Right? The well water can be protected as under. Use a clean bucket to draw out water from the well. The well water, if you are drawing water from the well, then it should be protected. How? The bucket should be clean. Never clean utensils near the well. You should not clean the utensils near the well. Utensils are nothing but what? Vessels, plates, glasses. This all things comes under utensils. Never wash clothes near the well. We should not wash clothes near the well. Never bath near the well. No one should take a bath near the well because the dirty water goes into the well and the water in the well becomes dirty. This is the reason we should not take a bath near the well. Allow the waste water to flow into a soakage pit. Strong platform should be built around the well. How a platform should be around the well? It should be very strong with the help of bricks, cement and all. Then only the platform will be built very strongly near the well. Why we are building this platform? To protect the well water. To protect well water. I believe you understood the meaning of water cycle and how to protect the water as well as well water. In this passage I explain you about well water. So listen children carefully. These are all the steps where you can follow this. If you have an area, if you have seen or come across an area like hilly villages, or else you can say village and all, this sort of places we can see village wells. So protect the water, not only well water children. The water which we are drinking water also should be protected at our homes. Follow this. Once you drink, then lid off or else cap the bottle carefully, neatly, tidily. And whenever you are drinking water, whenever you drink water, sit and drink. That improves your body energy, gives your body energy. I underline some of the vocabulary here. Work on that children. Have a nice day.